everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Vanilla Balance card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Vanilla Balance gift card online, go and open up a web browser. Into the URL box, type in balance.vanillagift.com and press enter. You'll end up on this page from where you can easily manage your gift card, check your balances and review your transactions. Simply go ahead and enter your card number you are trying to activate, which is 16 digits long. Enter its expiry date, which is available right on the card itself, and then type in the CVV digits. Finally, click on the continue button, and if you are using the card for the first time, it'll take you through the activation process. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to activate your new Vanilla gift card. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.